Kan National People's Party hak akhat lai terek unai lur arjar pulai kala pedang buram ya kejingwan pynïasoh Bah Himalaya HM Shangpliang WMLE berim kamausan ram syaka party hak kejingelang kabala penlang ha office strike up jong ka party hala shumer Shillong. Nalor kinoy lam bah khmat jong ka party lai iru ikejingwan menteri rang ba berim ka jela u Dr DD Lapang u baderu nong ai jengmot ka sarkar jela bamanta pan sakhi ya kene kejing pynïasoh Bah Himalaya Shangpliang wat pedang kejinglong temen bat karta ka ba khandai voice nam. Kiwei pat kiblai don lang nalor konrat ki sang mau national president bot menteri rang ba bomenta jong gajala ki kenthop yo ba preston ten song baru ba snyau balang dhar ki beri ki sembut menteri rang ba u Dr Kyrwoh state president ke NPP Meghalaya lembat kiwei pat.
Looking back to the background of this family, here is the place where we got the stalwart like Purnai Sangma, who led this the national party world, and also to see that the northeast area has been very much under the purview of the honor, glory, and to see the sunshine and the light of the world through this stalwart area. So Hashibone, Bangyo Kanakalan, but Piai, and Grand Chicken Mercantin, Galaya Kalatika Bajangai, and like a night west name Ladamanta. Ngala perkat baleseng ngala depan songtai no. Jangan sabadon kalat mentang sudon kumne. Now ngidon hamne kipriu jongi kibayam jika parti ke jongi bat kumjuru kibayam jika sarkar ke jongi. Ngidon hamne office bearers jika parti ke jongi person tensong deputy chief minister also and also basiapa lang ngidar deputy chief minister. Don Rohane, Honorable MP Jogi, Bakanskogan Tatel, but Kumro Shibon Kinik Bangamla Jer Katang, Kajik Shagalong, Bang Don Hane, Ipoi Hangan Gajaka, Namarba, have learned a lesson to see that we forget ourselves and we serve others. The Kaneka going to Khat, Kanekapor, Kavala Yagi, Baga NPP Kalaki, Bakandang Kiu, Haplan Yogi Slay, Yogi Dap, Yogi Egg, Yogi Challenge, Kibadan Nakaneka, Riga Yogi, Yasa Frank, Nanki, Banakasi, Bangin Nayaki, Chekla Ganam, Sumashibone, Bagidong Noyalam Yogi, all friends here from Garden Hills and from Mountain Ram, especially, we are thankful very much that you have decided to put the wisest suggestion to your leader, HM Shangpliang, to see that he has chosen the way that he can lead along with you. And I hope that with the leader that Shangpliang is there, he'll lead you to the top of the hill and you'll see the sunshine and the horizon of the thing. You can really see that one day, Mountain Ram will also one of the big leaders of the state Yogi and also of the nation. I complain ya di baro point but ngai scam bagane ke jidon Yogi hangne kan kranyangi batai bagini ai nanaya pika advice to murut men tong in pendem regular day knang bo play pan crowd yangi but tong in perkat ba in perkatnya la day in perri lagati bari. I complain to everybody, friends from Garden, friends from all sides of the side. We are here together. We'll climb the hill. We'll take the challenge and we'll not forget. We'll see that we'll strive. We must survive and we'll succeed beautifully after we have our decision.
I see Meghalaya emerging as one of the leading states in the country. Under the dynamic leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and duly supported by Sri Preston Tinsong and Sri Shobhalandhar, both Deputy Chief Ministers. And I am very impressed with the emphasis given by the party for the development of the state. I could see that the government is focused on entrepreneurship, tourism, on agro-processing, skilling of the youths, and various livelihood sectors. It is these developments that magnifies the purpose of the party. The endeavor of the party to support the farmers of the state under the flagship programs like the Focus and so on, and the party's assurance to continue to engage with the Government of India for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, and for the implementation of the ILP in Meghalaya, for which resolutions have been passed in the Assembly by the MDA government. These issues and concerns taken up by the party for the welfare of the people of the state have persuaded and convinced me to be part of the growth today, and hence I join the NPP today. Today, I commit myself to serve this party with all honesty and sincerity, and to serve the people of the state to the best of my ability. Once again, I'd like to thank the National President, Sri Conrad Sangma, for giving me this honor today. I also thank Sir Preston and Sir Snyaubhalang for the encouragement and support that they kept giving me over the days so as to enable me to join the party here today. I also thank the State President, Dr. W.R. Khalukhi, for his kind consent to induct me into the party. My special thanks goes to a very special person in my life, and that is Dr. DD Lapang. I'm very thankful to you, sir. I was very surprised last night when I got a call from Dr. DD Lapang. He expressed his happiness that I am joining this party, and that's why he said, I am going to be there to be present and to witness your entry into the party. And thank you so much, sir, for being here with us today and inspiring all of us. Dr. Lapang has been like a father figure to me, and he has been my mentor over the years in my political journey. And I thank you, sir. May God bless you with good health. We need your presence, we need your guidance in the party, sir.